Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2013 Chevy Equinox. We have two quotes for the engine control model. So let's go and check what are the quotes. So come here and you go to 12 quotes display. Misfire. Okay, let's go to live data. If you can notice live data, let's go to Misfire. Let's select the cylinders. Misfire data. Return Misfire. Okay, cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total Misfire. Okay. Kind of remove the intakes in order to get to the plugs. The coils are here. It was number 2 that was firing, so this is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You start counting from where the timing chain is. The timing chain is around here. So you have to take this air chamber. You have to take it off. They remove assurance clip, so you have to pull it back before you push this one. This middle tap, you push it. I got my plugs loosened, so I'm going to use this magnetic pickup to take them from inside. Let's have a look at number 1. Not pretty bad. Number 2. Wow. So you guys see how the gap between number 2, this number 2, how it kind of close. Okay, pretty good. Okay. The center electrode broke. See?
But if the car they move.
The car is misfiring. When I start the car, I see the RPM, it was going up and down, it's misfiring. So it continued telling us that the catalytic converter is no. I don't know. You see. Wow. This one they have not seen something like this before. And this is the pass number. Some more car. Max massive graphics. Sure it looks. Yeah, that click. Push this. Grab your 10 mil.